In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook email messages. If your messages look cramped or too spread out, a quick spacing tweak can make them easier to read and more professional. Start by opening Outlook. Create a new message or open an email you are replying to or forwarding. In the Compose window, select the text you want to change. This could be a single paragraph or your entire message. If you want the whole email updated, select all the text before making changes. Next, go to the Format Text tab at the top. In the paragraph group, look for the line and paragraph spacing icon, the one with up and down arrows beside small lines. Click it and you'll see common spacing options like 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, and 2.0. Choose the value you prefer. You'll see your highlighted text update immediately, so you can judge readability on the spot. As a rule of thumb, 1.15 or 1.5 often reads comfortably on screens, while 2.0 creates generous spacing for emphasis. For more control, stay on the Format Text tab and open the paragraph dialog. Click the small launcher arrow in the bottom right corner of the paragraph group. In the dialog, find the spacing section. Here you can fine-tune the space before and after each paragraph, which adds breathing room between paragraphs without changing the spacing within each line. You can also pick a specific line spacing style from the drop-down, such as single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, or exactly, and set the precise point size when needed. This is helpful if your email includes headings, bullet lists, or signatures that need consistent layout. Once you've dialed in the look you want, set it as your default, so future messages start with the same spacing. Click Set as Default, confirm that you want these settings applied to all new mail, and then click OK to close the dialog. If you only need the change for this one email, just click OK without setting the default. That's it. Thanks for watching.